I'm using my NFA 1000 here. I apologize that the light is not great. I've got all the lights on, so doing my best here. So not too much going on here. 0.09 milligauss. That's great because we want it under 0.2. But I did notice this system here when I was doing my measurements, and this looks like it's plugged in, and what it is it's like heated sheets, like kind of like an electric blanket, only it's the sheet, which sounds lovely, really beautiful. But let's turn it on and see what we get here. So I've got my, okay, there you go. So I'm a couple inches from the sheet, and I'm getting these random pulses up to 2 milligauss. So let's see what happens if I get closer to the sheet. Let's see if I can get a flashlight on there for you so you can see it a little better. So I'm at about 13 milligauss. That's not great. What happens? I want to see what it is all over the bed. Ooh, getting up to 25 there. 13, 14. Let's see what it is in the middle. 11, 6 to 11. It's got those weird pulses. And then nothing on this side of the bed. So very interesting. It's very high over here and not over here. So maybe the electrical cords aren't in this side. I'm not sure. 0.3. 0.5. Huh. Very interesting. Oh, there it is, high again. Okay, so you guys get the idea. That's not what we want. We don't want to be sleeping on that. So let's see what the electric fields are, because this could be an issue as well. Not only do we have magnetic fields, but we have electric fields. So let me turn it off again, and we'll get a background level. So about 15 here. Let's move it down a little bit. 100. You know, that's very high, and that's not even on, but it is plugged in. So my guess is that there's some wires, there's something going on in that spot. Let's investigate a little and see what we can see here. Yeah, I can feel a wire. Can maybe see it, this here. So if I put that right on, if I put my NFA right on top of that, at 60, 70, 60. Oh wow, look at this. I just put this back over here and it's 170. Wow! Because it's just the control panel itself. And so that's higher than 2000, because that's as high as my meter goes. Now this is the electric field, which we want to be lower than 0.3. And I'm still getting 100 over here. So it drops off again, so I guess perhaps there's no wires over here. I'm not sure, but anyway, you get an idea of what these are doing. And now it's off. I want to see if I can get it unplugged. Looks like maybe this is the plug. And you could hear that immediately dropped. So it doesn't even need to be on. Just the fact that it's unplugged, it automatically went down to 4. And we're still getting a little bit of a charge here, probably just because there's some conductivity from these cords and the walls. Or I'm getting closer to the lamp. Getting closer to the lamp, yeah. And so